Please download JUJIANG app. Install it and register account, then log in. Click the circled plus on the top right, select Add Device. Because the Wi-Fi network works well, we can select the quick add operation. Check the ID number is same, then select the swing gate. There are two methods for adding. You can connect the Wi-Fi to add the device into app. Otherwise, the Wi-Fi network is failure. You also can add the device by Bluetooth add. Enter the Wi-Fi passcode, click confirm. It will show add success.